this one we called as a prism. Why we called prism means base and top are same. Base and top are same. That shape we called as prism. Here this one base is triangle, top also triangle. That one we called as prism. Understood? Then what we call this one? Base is triangular shape is there, but top is only one point, vertex is there. That shape we called as pyramid. What we call pyramid. If the edges are joining together one point, that shape we called as pyramid. As well as we call this one also pyramid. Also we called one more name is there, this one. What we call cone. What we call this one? Cone. Understood now? Both are we call as well as pyramid. This one is triangular shape pyramid, and this one is circular base pyramid. Understood now? Pyramid. Also we called as cone. Understood? Now this one is circular base pyramid as well as we called as cylinder. What we call cylinder. Now this one is cube because all the faces are same, all the edges also same. That one we called as cube. Now this one we called as cuboid. See here base also square base is there, top also square base. Then we call this one is prism also. What we call prism? Square base prism. This one we called as square base prism. Afterwards, now what we call this one? Square base is there, base is square. Then these points are joining together one point only. No, that's why we call this one is pyramid. Square base pyramid. And this one is square base prism. As well as we call this one is rectangle. What rectangle? Sorry, square base prism. Cuboid also we call. Cuboid. If we compare these two, square base pyramid and this one is square base prism. Understood now? What is the difference between prism and pyramid? Prism is base one is there and top is joined together each one point only. That one we called as prism. Pyramid. This one is prism. Prism bases and top are same. That one we called as prism. Next, what we call this one? How many faces are there here? One face, pentagon base. No, pentagon base. That pentagon base and top also pentagon base is there. That's why we called as this one is pentagon base prism. Pentagon base prism. If all the points are joined together, here one point only, that we called as here. Here one more is there. This one also pentagon base is there. Pentagon base, but all the edges are joined to one point only. No, that one vertex, that one we called as pyramid. See what is the difference between these two? This one is a prism, pentagon base prism. This one also pentagon base is there, but this one we called as pyramid. Understood now? One more is there here. This is also pentagon prism and pentagon pyramid. Understood now? All of you understood? Now this one is cylinder. What we call this one? Cylinder. How many faces are there cylinder? One is curved surface cylinder. Curved face. And two plane faces. Two faces. Also we call this one is edges. What we call? Edges. Here curved edges is there. That's why we call this one is curved edges. Now this one again prism is there. Triangular base prism. How many faces are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Edges 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Understood now? Which line is there? No straight line. That one we called as edges and vertex. Vertex 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Vertex. Understood now? Now tell me, in this solid shape, how many faces are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Here side 6 faces are there, top 1, bottom. 6 plus 2, 8. How many faces are there? 8 faces. Now edges 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and this side 6 is there. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. 18 edges are there. Faces, how many faces are there? 8 faces. Afterwards, what we count to? Vertex. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 vertex, this side 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One formula is there, no? Face plus vertex equals to edges plus 2. That one formula you know? Understood now, all of you? Then here, how many? No, there is no vertex. That's why we called as always the sphere. Only total surface area is there. Total surface area. Total surface area. Here, not a partial surface area. See, this one is cone is there. If you close this one, open this one, then it becomes a curved surface area. If you close this one, it becomes a total surface area. If the cover hold the parts, then we call as total surface area. Now what we call this one is total surface area, curved surface area. Total surface area. If you open this one, it becomes lateral surface area. Understood? Lateral surface area. Like that, here one cube is there. This one we called as cube. If you open both the side, then it becomes lateral surface area. How many faces are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Consider this one is also open. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. One square area becomes we called as a square. What we call? A square. A square, A square, A square, A square. How many A squares are there? 4 A square. That means lateral surface area of the cube is 4A square. 4A square. Now 5A square, 6A square. This one we called as total surface area. What we call? Total surface area. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6A square. Why we are taking A square only? Because area of the square means A square. Otherwise side square. Side square, side square, side square, side square. 4 side square, 5 side square and 6 side square. That one, that's why we called as this one is total surface area of cube. Total surface area of the cube is formula is 6A square. Like that formulas are created. Understood now? All of you understood? Yes. Now adjust the faces, that much only is there for your 7th standard. After higher 9th standard and 10th standard, formulas are there. Total surface area, third surface area, volume of the cuboid, volume of the cylinder, all these formulas are there. We learn in higher school. Understood? All of you understood now? Yes, just to identify this one, take this one and how many faces are there? Count faces and edges and vertices. How many faces are there? 8 faces. Very good. Edges. 12, 13, 18. Edges are, how many edges are there? 18 edges. Understood now, all of you? Now, count this one. How many vertex are there? Vertex. 7. Very good. And edges.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Very good.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
12 edges are there, no? Faces.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7 faces. In this shape, 7 faces are there. Edges are 12 edges and vertices are 7 vertices. Understood now? You have to identify how many vertices and edges are there. Now we want to happens. Come this way. Now it becomes, this shadow is triangular shape, no?
Yes,
Triangular shape. If you see here from top side, it becomes a circle. Understood now? If you check the cylinder, this one sphere, that is also circle. Hemisphere, this one we called as hemisphere. Hemisphere shadow is also circle. Now this one is cylinder is there. If you see from top, it becomes circle. What happens? It becomes side section. It becomes rectangle. Understood now? Rectangle. Now this one is prism is there. What happens this side? Shadow. Which shape is there? Triangular shape. If you saw from top, again it becomes triangular shape. Understood now? Now like that, one more cone is there. Cone is over. No. Now see, if you see from top, again circle. Side triangular shape. Understood now? Now it becomes hexagon. If you saw from side, it becomes again which shape? Rectangle shape. If you saw from this side, it becomes again rectangular shape. Understood now? Top and front. Front, top and side. What happens if you see from front to? It becomes square. Top again square. Understood now? Side also square. If you took one rectangle, this one is cuboid is there. If you see from top, front, it becomes square. Side, rectangle. Top, rectangle. See, this one is also a cuboid is there. Front is rectangle. Side, side is square. Top, rectangle. Understood now? Like that. This one is also cuboid. From front, rectangle. Top, side, rectangle. Shadows also like that only. Understood? All of you understood? Okay.